Hello and welcome back to the Beautiful Things channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add pulls onto a continuous zipper tape. I'm going to show you how to add a pull onto either end so that you can pull your zip pulls together to meet in the middle. This is a really good way of creating one lovely long zip that you could put all the way around the outside of a bag or box. Now, it is fiddly, don't get me wrong. I was all fingers and thumbs. It doesn't help that I've got talons, but it's well worth it in the end. Stick with me, I'm going to show you how. Give it a little snip just to give it a nice clean edge, and then you're going to cut diagonally down into the tape from both sides, giving it like a lizard's tongue or a snake's tongue, and snip across the zip. These two little points are really handy. You're then going to open your tape. Now you need to do this gently, you don't want to rip it, but open up your zip about 2 inches and feed one of the zip pulls onto the zipper tape. You just have to kind of balance it here precariously while you then try and feed the tape in from the other side. And it all kind of hangs dangerously in the balance, and it is super fiddly. The aim of the game is to line up those two bits so they're nice and even. Then you can hold it by your little tongues, your little forks, and give the zip a tug. Tug it too hard, it will all come apart and you're going to have to start again. I thought I'd leave that in so that you could see that it really isn't as easy as some of these videos make it look. But if you do get it right, there we go. It should pull down. Now I've already put one onto the other end in exactly the same way, but you'll be able to see that now when I pull my two zips all the way down the tape, they meet nicely in the middle. And then you can see that I've got my little forks at either end. So I've added 2 pulls onto one continuous zipper. So I hope you found that tutorial useful. Do pop back every single day. I upload content to my YouTube channel and there are many tips that I've still got to share with you. Thank you very much for watching. I will see you all again soon. Bye!